If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of Google Pixel Buds A Series Dark Olive. These are Pixel Buds A Series have custom-designed 12mm dynamic speaker drivers that deliver rich, high-quality audio. They have a flush-to-ear design, 3 ear tip sizes, and a stabilizer arc. The wireless earbuds stay in place and create a gentle seal for amazing sound. You can get up to 5 hours of listening time or 2.5 hours of talk time with a single charge, or listen for up to 24 hours with the charging case. You may pair the Pixel Buds A Series with your Pixel or any Android device in just one tap. Also, they can be quickly and easily connect to iOS or any other Bluetooth 4.0 Plus device. On the plus side, the wireless earbuds are water resistant, so rainy days and sweaty workouts are no problem. They also have the adaptive sound feature that adjusts the volume as you move between quiet and noisy environments, so you don't have to change volume levels. Also, beamforming mics help make your calls crystal clear, even in noisy conditions. You can find your earbuds easily if you misplace them, hear them ring with Find My Device if they're nearby, or see their last known location on a map. On the other hand, they do not have noise cancellation, and people near you can hear your music. Overall, I like them, as they deliver good sound. They are comfortable in my ears, and they are very light. They came for free with my Pixel 6 phone, so it was a nice bonus. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.